Determine the centripetal force acting upon a 40-kilogram child who makes 10 revolutions around a cliffhanger, which is the name of a ride, I'm assuming, in 29.3 seconds. The radius of the barrel is 2.9 meters. Well, I started out by listing everything that was given to me, and the child weighs, the child weighs 40 kilograms. The radius is of the barrel is 2.90 meters, and the time for would be 2.93 seconds. I derived this from 10 cycles. 10 cycles equals 29.3 seconds, so I divided 10 into 29 to derive that each revolution would take 2.93 seconds. So first, if I had to find the speed, so I did 2 times pi times radius, so 2 times pi times 2.9 over 2.93 seconds, and that gave me a speed of 6.22 meters per second. Now what I'm going to do with this next is plug it into the acceleration formula, which the formula is acceleration is equal to velocity squared over the radius. So I just discovered that the velocity was 6.22 meters per second, so 6.22 meters per second squared over 2.90 meters gives me 13.3 meters per second. Now the question asks to determine the centripetal force. So to find the net force of anything, it would be net force equals mass times acceleration. Now in the first two steps, I had to find the speed in order to find the acceleration, and then I had to find the acceleration in order to plug it into this equation. So now that I know the acceleration, and I already had the mass was the 40 kilogram kid, so it'll be the 40 kilogram kid times 13.3 meters per second, which will mean that the centripetal force acting upon the 40 kilogram child would be 533 newtons of net force.